Ahodini said there was Bobo and Nisi Breno.
Okay.
I remember him 2009. Now, Okwakobo, the last planet Yama Ghana.
Under 20.
Under 20, no.
Okay.
To be honest with you, many J. 50 I had a mission, say, Minian, baby, Grandma Kuchian. T. Only Nakasana, Nasam saw Oceans or kind, so 7 years summer, Emid de say, or Kansas, actually Ghana for. Or Kansas, actually, yen our hand. Emid, Meniaji pa. Na na sani menyi de boama ye football no ye de but unya omo a ebi ha onte wase na was junior a obekire no ana wasema abeka no onte wase ne bia uze ewiase no ehwene ni nyina enye baako ebia sade a mimi sikasa yi no wo ozu anzen wo sade osikasa ba ne nyina mu no sa mimi te wase na so te mase a ene ne boa ema oman yenya kwa etumpu ekoye ni ndimeni ajajima bedo ne sem na waka na me de papa me de.
I don't say I'll confer the technical eye the ma action.
Unso ma action.
Yes,
some na action ke no ajajima.
As if say ona ajabadu adi nkomo ansa na wono waba.
So na coach o muskumu.
Aye.
On a coach. The bad technical issues here. No. On we are technical. Oh, brutal. Technical man.
I am poor.
Technical action.
On very careful.
Oh,
baby I say offer.
Technicalities you know.
Oh, be
sport on.
Go fi me say on
transform into money.
Sport on.
You know that.
As obeka so na me do the card in komo ofia so
but I think I say a lot of things about the Blasters. Time the be this year or China.
On say okasem bia o se go fi nya time na ehwem ye pa. O say
you will play you don't qualify.
Anya no kwa. O say you play but you need team.
Yeah.
Of a team be no, you for one day and a better team.
Maybe say I didn't take here Ghana too long a time.
6 months we almost sanko.
You want to say on say
see a China ba popular request China
Davi
so otukana
ochina ye Thursday me ya sorry nti me time
Fridays where
Fridays me ne ha
sa
obakra
onyame say na adwuma no ye kone na mu tre ye kone mu tre
Ghana league baba so
league no me shada hunu sa
yo mo league no
me on say me no beka asem kwa cha me say ye wie second season no ye boss second round ni wie no ena mimi nya no ntie say Ghana ya goodie no ntokwa beba mu ka se mbeka ha na mo ka se jama hwan on say me ka cham say minim because me hu say ye di asem wo fie mu afie na ye di asem no enipa mienu bi na ne ye di o masem wo but dem ye say obi free baby no atwedua no awura fie obi so ba kubi no obi atwa ba no say na we free na nya wo mu asem ne fo mu kwa na akuno na ye nkrofo na ejin tokwa na ko ba me bi say no asma me say Ghana football na me hwe ni me say beba but as to date ne time beba there
but the first the 29th of October
he didn't tell me it me no me india na matumi boase na me hwe season ni no because medical catch say minyane tiesa heart folk ebe dominate Ghana league na for 3 seasons
okay
me kai nti anana ma gina so na me ka say kotokoko chi abe no so tana
Ogum
yeah almost started say bobo no nya 6 months okotokwa baby obi amehwe no makoche na de
ade
yes baby obi amehwe na koche na de
yes at league no na 6 months Prosper Ogum da say okoro coach oba koche na de
me ko koche na
reason yes say
ene de mi nchiro
prompting early sacking
na me pese ogina ye tie me pese ogina ye he kotoko supporters amutie me I am a fasi e janse me motamfo I love you people
yeah my anya systematically
okay tell me
what's your coach Ogum enya 6 months abebi obi akoche na de
me che na de
are you prompting his early sacking na
me ka kire ni say adwuma na wa ba be ye no ade bi denanim indi say owo spiritual eye bia na wo ni fufuru bi wo ba bia onko no nkofa because ye tie me kotoko heart enema mienu na free na hu se be prawo se ye bobo league no a e be prawo mo me hu heart folk week 12 a small team ana or oma has folk esu me kesu anya zo mdom zagum zo one winning game na we roba and me who kotoko say 17 ono so week 17 na ono so na a small team and it does be anka ni mu no na I
have the league fixtures on my phone.
And Obeka also answer. Then Nana me catch our second third home game last season. No, everyone see Anna Mecano. And quite enough fixtures never. But say crowd on my fixtures. No, but me say
okay, week 12 we have what it has.
And near Hearts of Folk.
Week 12 Hearts of Folk no Babiani Gold Stars.
Jimmy Casey Organa.
Derby.
Shekotoko de Mammy.
Also got a week say
17.
Got Accra Lions.
Honestly, Jimmy Casey. Me say mo league man me football.
Me are interested. I will go with him.
Yes.
In time say, are you promoting his early sack?
Yes. Say Otiemia on fat me say me any town for. I just want to help him. Kotoko wini a me so ye me dibi. Because I'm sorry manu omo de niji be wura so dem ye nyina nso ye niji bi omo nyom no ma sa obi bia oh so say oh I don't know person this atom to a ye ka kotoko asem I say obese
sia enim se minim se o ya hasini
oh so answer
ase me ka asem bia na unimu ana wa ebi no watie me
I say minim a o de cheta ko
David me bo so we nipa Rabba na no sibempa oso ye kotuko ni internet na sisi ya hasini internet na sisi ya hasini na wo na oso mo na kasa
me chese aso o de ko tai ko na
o wa no woni mu mane kasa
ba I am de on I am the so say kasa se be chemi I am the papa ebua me because time na me bo house for a story de bia say 10 years or Munji Ghana League wo de atwa me oh hwa mu be sa na me time na so na masori ko na ma wa me mama nja me tia na ye interview ni ya me time na ready ade bia me time ade na mu dia sa
because o ye hasini
tie me ba
we hasini anya hwio
me ko bi sa kwa me kese
there are some things me can me nyagro me sisi
no krade ma ya chiro etese me ya hasini ka tira me
na ya hasini na
ye team kese
we hasini
ya te me nya hasini
team nya no da
o ye hasini
we ye nya baba
osanza ya eviedu na me kan hasa samsa na support say na support say see ya kotoko inti I am the say and na usu ansan ya o e future kotoko ziwe e ka se me house am the papa
okay
nyanko pon no ma 2 million kro ni me say see house and he knows it
na me na ka tell
me nipa me ni o ye adwuma wo na e ba me nchen obi am ni adwuma ye obi oba me nchen
ndwa na ba nchen
so ye confirm kra ba nchen me no be din komo o ti ase sa wo su ye hwan ni kra wo ba nti na me tumi ko mosque ya sorry me tumi ko mosque na me ni muslim fo no o ko no msumi ti obi na me ya sorry
wase na wa kan ba bia ma bia ko pa ogun di 6 months a o ko akocha na de
me ko akocha na de
mate
o hun se on di me
because tie me kotoko tie reasons na mba be chere yo o say me someone say me time na some no be say me nya na o di me time ni na ma bi me ba ntam wo ye interview na nam tia tie me kotoko woni mu omne has me ni ma me chere ma de be betoto mo see statistics no a
okay
kotoko place na o jeja mo makom teams na sa boys na ekon o ma be disturb mo wo kuremu ya has focus with them so sa na obewem no team ya America obewem na has ni bi kra was a team ni mu mo we has team no Victoria mo say team be ya
Go Stars
obewem no has play bi be kwa kopio no an be san be twe o maso kotoko tie me o sansa kotoko place no mo pampam no omu mi o mani ye me ni kotoko company voice ye omu she da mi o mani ni ye because I told them one when ya over ton color TV na dia kwakwaje black and white na wo hwani na wo nche da hu ni ye papa inti o san saying kotoko management omu fam say me omu tamfo they should prepare
okay
for this season a war kuma say agopramai so a war no omu hwade bi o kotoko ni 10 ni 17 17 games are born on stadium ano me cry dem in panka this season no nko omo san bo omo matches na away mu 5 Didn't you make us a coach, you know, only 6 months and me make quite channel dinner. I move 5. Kotoko, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th.
5 home matches.
I'm talking about home games, no. And 3, 2, referee, me more region and chow, nako, trouble be a cool room. And 2, referee never disturb woman, but so almost had ya, Omunya 3. TMA. It's a prophecy and your prediction. So one for course create here, some na make a show no. Me say, emu 2 referee from a region B. Omu beye the same region mienu. Omu back to us. Omu back to us. Abeye war our go pramano so. For a certain word, beer, a few be numu wasati kotoko. Ena ekoye sa de dia baby tie team no. They should get prepared. And omu 3rd game. Omu nyina ye papa. Minim team krom number 4. Minim. Na ope team sa. Omu ba kumasi ha. Osu ansa. Hwe omu ye. This color, we
yellow.
Yes. Mo real league nim. Omu use sa colors no. Omu be ba ha, they should be very careful. Kotoko benefit dan kasanche supporters no. The last Mbeka said, tell them game in a person say, all money supporters in Casa, so Musani and Bono, a wind draw line, a womb. No, 2 more for Nasa in Yai. Send away, saying he could confirm if you go me to grow my baby. Move it only prepare 5 games and what was so few. And the pressure can say, coaching us anytime can say, so to me, Jinam. Ekosi 6 months na mo kanche coaches me kwakujan me ba be channel there na so na make am enye prediction o eye prophecy so they should listen to me very well meantime obi eye ade me hu ene ya me ba beka ndi me hu a mo from say me o mo tanfo no mo jai sa atemdi no mo jasam no mo nye ho adwuma no mo nye ho adwuma o mo try so be yi bibia fa ho enya atem dide na siase no supporters this year they me am sadam sayem kotoko supporters me sremu pi me nyam tamfo me ka nkrofo a mo do team no na usu ansante dia me di twato ama kotoko ye team a ye nkontoko nwini kotoko tem bia kotoko be kontoko bia no mo lusu because dan na me chaw colors bi mama no ansi na mo so ya na me jaye ukona ko hu color red color red unity se unya se color red ene ne ho ko a chese wodi nkuguo na wakwakofa color ash eno dia bebe sha nine ash so ayabrawo yaw anije anim bibia anim esu enema papa bia ni ash color but adia ene papa wom red color baako inti management kon board wan tokwa supporters tem bia kotoko be yes adin bia kotoko nya cap bia gutam nti omumo mani na o na omunye baako no munye baako a ene betumi abo. These are the words of prophecy, Ajan. That's right. Kwa also don't call the message aba papa.